Hello everyone. Welcome to today's episode of Sari Ki Sari Baatein and hope you are doing good and keeping yourself safe. Of course, Corona is not over, so we need to be very careful and we need to make sure that we follow all the required protocols to keep ourselves safe from COVID. So today we are going to start our episode. I'm so excited about it, and let me get my guest. Just a second. So today's episode is going to be exciting because we're going to see how do we style ourselves for festivals. Hi, ma'am. Welcome to our
Hi,
episode.
Tanmana. Glad to see you.
Hi. Yeah, nice to see you. Finally, we meet here.
Yeah. So, how have you been? What's happening?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How about you, ma'am?
All good. Doing great, as usual.
Yeah,
Sharing happiness.
that's so great to hear. As usual, I liked your word. So we have, so let me introduce her. So she's an entrepreneur, she's a stylist, she's a designer, and she's what not. And most importantly, I mean, she's a die-hard fan of saris. So she's here with us today, and we are going to discuss how do we style our saris for festivals. So welcome to today's episode, ma'am, and it's such a delight to have you.
Thanks for the opportunity, Tanmana. Glad to be here on this platform, rather.
It's my complete pleasure, ma'am. So, ma'am, how did this journey start?
Audible?
I'm saying that how did this journey start?
Saris was more an attachment for me. Like I've seen my mom, my grandmom, aunt, everybody wearing saris throughout their life. So only after one generation started wearing outfits, the saris became a little lesser. Otherwise, I've been wearing saris since my college days. I have my saris collection from almost 30, 40 years old. So I have all the vintage saris passed on to me from my aunts, grandmom,
Yeah.
then my other cousins who tell like they can't maintain or they don't wear much. So I would rather keep it and I use it. And at one point when wearing saris became monotonous, I started experimenting with different drapes to make it interesting. Otherwise, it would have been the same way of wearing saris to everyday thing, right? And
Yeah.
there are instances where I used to wear saris to even social parties, official meetings, sometimes shopping. So that was the
Yeah.
kind of attachment I had with the sari. So anytime you see me, I'll be in a sari. So unless you make it a point to come in such certain outfit, you mention, then I'll be wearing that. Otherwise, sari, like Renu is like anytime in a sari. So that's the kind of habit I've had. And I started collecting saris, and I've got saris from others as well, as I mentioned. But off late, maybe like 2 years, since 2 years, I've started wearing particularly handlooms. And it's like I have all types of saris, no denying that. But once I started to get to know about the handlooms and the hand woven fabrics, I have more love towards it. So since then, I've been wearing more of handlooms, and I promote kind of hand woven stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, Renuka ji, that's I mean, it's quite visible in all your candid sharing that you have shared in Instagram, and we are such a big fan of that.
Thank you.
So I'm more excited because today, Renuka ma'am is going to help me up to style up for festivals. So, ma'am, so if you can help me to how to I actually glam up in sari that and I get ready for my festivals because I think we are now getting ready and the festive season is just knocking at our doors. So it'll be quite exciting.
Yeah, also, Tanmana, I would like to tell that there were days where festivities or festive season would be wearing lots of, for us South Indians rather, all kanjivarams and all the silk saris kind of a thing, and put all the accessories, all the gold jewelry, and take up that way. But of late, we have seen because the younger ones, maybe my daughter or any other kids of that age, would wear a normal cotton sari, but still that festive look would be there, right?
Yeah,
And it's not
yeah,
mandatory that you need to wear properly like silk saris or whatever Banarasi or wear
yeah.
gold. No, that doesn't mean.
Correct.
There was one
True.
period, and now there is transition. So now we will
Yes,
just
yes.
try to experiment a couple of drapes, maybe 2 or 3 in the time
Yeah.
given, and a little of jewelry, whatever we have. So the quick
Yeah, of
one
course,
is,
ma'am.
uh,
And I think cotton is something which is more comfortable for the current generation because it goes with,
exactly,
you can use
because
a
there is a
single
point
saree.
where, yeah, there
Uh,
is a point where all the youngsters tell no, wearing a sari is a real big task for them. So no, it's not actually. Once you start wearing, once you start loving the saris, probably you will enjoy wearing it in everyday life. That is what I would want
yeah,
to tell the younger ones. So there are people who
correct.
wouldn't want to try and still they make that statement. That's a different category, overall.
Right, correct, correct.
And there is one set of youngsters who would really want to wear and experiment, even if
Yeah.
it's a simple affair kind of. So let's
Yes,
try
yes,
the
of
couple,
course.
so that then they
Yeah,
can
yeah,
understand,
ma'am.
probably they would try that as well.
Yeah, yeah, so true, ma'am, so true. So, ma'am, I'm just going to get my earrings. I guess it'll be helping me. You can help me out. Which one should I wear? So, which one should I go with, ma'am? I have this. I have also this, and I also have this.
Okay, the first one will go, the first one you showed
Okay.
me.
Okay,
And
so
you
this
have a,
one.
yeah, perfect.
Okay, perfect, ma'am. Let me just,
Yeah, take
do
your time.
this. Yeah. I'm just liking it, ma'am. I think this is quite exciting.
Let's always talk and talk, so now we can just experiment a little on life.
Yeah, of course. And I was quite nervous when Renuka ma'am said that she's going to help me up with styling today. Yeah. So
Perfect. So you have a belt as well, I guess, the waist belt.
yeah, I have a belt.
Okay, and you have a long pallu, right?
Yeah, I have a long pallu as well. Yeah.
Okay, nothing. Just for since you're already draped, what you do is you just take that pallu, put it across the shoulder. No, the pallu.
Yeah, just like this.
No, the same way,
Okay.
and it comes this
Okay.
way.
Okay, I see. I see. Okay. Yeah, I got it.
So both the shoulders, a little of shoulder to be seen, and since
Okay.
your pallu is little longer, yes, that comes
Yeah.
a V kind of a thing, right? Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
And this edge, whatever you have, this edge, if it is
Yes.
very longer, you can put it inside. You can just tuck it in.
Oh, yes. I mean, you're saying like this, like
Yes.
zigzag.
The pleats has to
Okay.
be
Yeah.
neat. The pleat has to be neat. You'll tuck it in. If the pallu, one thing to notice is if the pallu is shorter, just tuck it in there. Use a small pin, safety pin to just pin it up there, and you put the
Yeah.
waist belt.
Okay. Is
Yes,
it okay,
and if
ma'am?
it's a little more
Does it look
broader, little more broader, it has to be so much. You can see me.
okay?
A little more broader.
Like this?
It's a close neck, yeah, a little more broader. Yes, perfect. And you put it across, and you have the
Yeah.
waist belt there. Any fancy waist belt should be fine. Since if
Okay.
at all you choose the silver accessories, keep it the same.
Yeah.
Everything has to match,
Okay.
right?
Yeah. So you're saying that I need to put my belt here. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me do that. Yeah, I guess this is quite interesting.
The only thing is it has to be on the shoulder. It has to be a little broader. The pleats on both the sides has to be a little broader, and it has to be tucked in. If it is little longer, you can put it across and get it from the other side. If it is longer, otherwise this is fine. And you have a choker
Yeah.
or something that has to go well. If not,
Yes, I have.
yes, yes, you can put it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I think I need to fix this.
Yes.
Yeah. I think it's just not getting. Okay. I guess I'll need someone's help to do this, but let
That's
me
okay.
try.
If at all it's broader neck or something like my blouse, maybe a choker or a neck piece would be better, or a simple as it is also is fine. That works.
Yeah. What I'll do is I'll try to fix it like this right now
And the
for
piece will be
the
broader. Yeah,
yeah.
perfect. And statement rings would add a zing there.
Yes. Yeah, some statement ring. Okay. Right now, I think I don't have that handy, but I'll keep in mind.
You can just add on to that, and maybe since you have a bun already, you can just have a brooch or something. The silver brooch is what we get, just to mix with all the silver jewelry. You can just put it across, or you can just leave
Okay.
your hair loose also. That also works. So this is
Okay.
one simple thing. Yeah, this is one
Yeah.
simple thing where you'll be wearing the same sari with a pleated thing, and you just
Yeah.
tuck it in, and just one extra belt will add the overall. It'll all change the look there. So that is one.
Yeah.
And the
Yes.
other one is you just let the pallu free. I'll just show you
Okay.
mine. You just let the pallu free, and you wear the
Okay.
same belt or the broader belt.
Okay.
And
Okay.
what
So a broader belt.
just normal, the loose pallu. Usually, what we
Okay.
do is when we wear the belt, we always prefer wearing it in pleated pallu, right?
Yes.
But for
Yes.
festive season also, you can try this. Just a normal pallu, yeah. Put a belt, just a normal belt,
Okay. And
and you can
just
change
put
the
like.
earrings, yeah. And probably you can post pictures later. Whatever you have
Yeah.
studied
Yeah. I'm
here,
going to do
just
that.
post pictures.
I'm so excited
So
about it.
other people, yeah,
Yeah. I'm going to put that with them.
and the
Yes.
fixing
So
is
I'm going to.
pleated.
Okay. So I think yeah. So it fixes my my sari in my waist, right?
Yeah,
So it
so the
fixes it
pallu
that way.
is just let loose, little longer, and you have the
Yeah.
belt there, and you change the
Yeah.
earrings into a bigger jhumka or little more
So
bigger
I think
earrings. Yeah, that works. That works.
okay.
Getting ready peacefully is a different story altogether, right? And
Yeah.
doing it in a hurry.
Yeah. So true. Yes.
So, and if at all you have a gajra or that any kind of a dint, whatever we call,
Yes. I have
that
one.
should add to the look, yeah. And if at all you prefer, you can go with a bindi. If not, also is
Okay.
fine. It's up to you.
Okay. So I think that is more. That'll give a very festive look.
Yeah, typical festive look.
I think this should work. Yeah. I have fixed that. Okay. Let
And
me try
I
putting
think
the bindi. I will.
you had that earlier earring, right? One of the earrings.
Yes.
You can just put
Yes.
it here
Yes.
just to show.
Okay. Just to show. Okay. I'll put a bindi. Maybe. Yes. A red bindi. I don't put generally, but
Perfect. You look beautiful.
yeah, like this. You're saying?
With a small
Okay.
tag or something, you can just attach there,
Yeah.
and that completes the whole look. Maybe a few bangles, silver bangles.
Yeah. So I think I'll fix it for now like this.
No, you can
Yeah.
just keep it. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
A few
Okay.
bangles if required. It's required
Yeah.
actually, and a finger ring to complete.
To complete the look, yes. So, yeah.
I think yeah, that completes, and you look beautiful. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
So it's like it's not mandatory that you have to wear a silk sari or any sari with a border. We get all these border saris and all. No, even a cotton sari like whatever I'm wearing or you're wearing. Also,
Yeah.
little of all the silver jewelry which is in the trend
Yeah.
should
Yeah.
really make the whole look better.
A
So
change.
I think
Make
you
the
should
whole
be
look.
posting pictures later so that I can
Of
also
course.
see
Yeah,
about
of
your
course.
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, of course I'll do that.
And also,
Yeah.
I would tell whenever you are using pins with a small tip, we use normal safety pins, right? So you
Yes.
always make it a point whenever we are free, we can just, put a bead like this. Can you see?
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Any
yeah,
bead,
yeah.
like whatever waste we have, no, some old beads or pearls, whatever smaller size ones. Anyways, it goes underneath. So this will not damage the saris, any saris as such. So plenty of
Okay.
safety pins we use, and
Yeah.
we seem to be losing it every now and then. So make a point that you make safety pins like this using a little of fabric glue both the ends and a small
Okay.
pearl or a button. Pearl is preferable, but buttons also fine, and you'll just have to pull it across, and it will not damage the fabric, any fabric as
Sorry.
such. So
I
this works.
see. This is such a useful
This is
insight.
one small simple tip which would really, would make the draping easier, and
Ah,
it will keep the saree intact.
yeah. So, because I think I have spoiled so many sarees in the
Yeah,
initial
that's
days when I
holes,
started wearing.
and we can't
Yeah,
rectify
so
that.
I
And
got told.
so many beautiful sarees will be spoiled just because of that hole.
Yeah,
And
because that
earlier
was.
days, we used to, just fold a small piece of, newspaper, and we used to put it in. And now, because we have all this glue on all, we just keep safety pins like this, and it will be handy
Yeah,
also.
yeah, correct, correct. That's wonderful, ma'am. So I think I look pretty doing
Yeah,
this styling,
perfectly.
and I
Yeah,
really
very
enjoyed
beautiful.
it.
And it's also like earlier, it was like we never used to wear sleeveless blouses and all, for the festives. And now it's
Yes,
like
yes.
it's a trend, and all youngsters would want to wear something fancier and
Yeah.
fashionable, so they can always try that also with this look. And neck piece is not mandatory, but still, if at all you love or you like wearing more accessories, better the look. So that is what I would do, and
Yeah,
wonder.
yeah. I think neck pieces make it look more, more stand out.
Mm.
Yeah,
All it's like that, no, that's mandatory for all the women and the ladies to just to be
yeah,
looking
yeah,
prettier and more the better in the whole group, and that gives a certain kind of joy. So we would always
correct,
work on
correct,
that
correct.
rather.
Yeah,
And even if at all you
absolutely.
have nose pins, that would be even more beautiful. Nose pins add
So true.
also, yeah, that depends. Clip-ons or white ones, anything, whichever the people would like. They should try
Yeah,
nose pins. And
and I
if at
love
all you
yours.
want, yeah, you should try. It will really look good, and
Yeah,
especially on the left side, probably for you. I have it on
yeah.
the right, but for you, left works.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. I'll try. I never tried actually, but I think I should try and
No,
nose
I should
pins
have
for this.
informed you. I should have told you at least to get a clip-on or something, so we'd have got to know the look rather.
Yeah. So true. But I'm going to I'm going to do that and show you like how does it look when
Yeah,
I
a couple
later
of
come up
pictures
with
would
this
satisfy
time.
you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So true, so true. Yeah, I think that was really amazing, ma'am, and I enjoyed. We got two looks which Renuka ma'am helped me to, come up with, and I thoroughly enjoyed this. And thank you so much, ma'am,
And it
for
was
joining
always
us.
like, we used to wear a certain sari with a certain blouse, or maybe we had that style from days together. But now it's not mandatory. You can wear any blouse with any sari, mix and match, and you have a different color code. And we just try to, even though it's my sari is not matching to my blouse, but still it gives a different look. So no harm trying
Correct
in mix match concept also. So, and
concept.
if at all you have somebody's sari, probably your mom's or your aunt's,
Yeah.
and you have one single blouse, still it can work. And you can just drape a
Good.
sari with some random blouse, and still you can, look beautiful, or in a different way. So you should
So
try
true,
mix
so true.
matching the blouses, and it's also economical that way. Instead of
Yeah.
getting the blouses stitched for each and every sari, we'll have a couple of blouses placed, and we have n number of saris, and we can just play with the blouses and saris and give a
Yeah, yeah.
different. That also
Yeah,
works.
absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. I think it actually, it's a tip for a minimalist wardrobe to have less
Exactly.
and to,
No,
create
it's need of the
n
hour. We
number of
need
looks.
to. It's a need of the hour, and
Yeah,
we need to think about it.
yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
especially
of
the
course.
generations coming up have to think about it and try to implement that as well.
Of course, of course. That's so true, ma'am. That's so true.
I'm
So,
just
yes,
checking the
ma'am, I think,
messages.
yeah, 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 you can check. Yeah.
Hello, Shweta. Hema. Hi. Hi, Sujit. Hey, Nami. Couple of them are online. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tanmana, tell me.
Yeah, so ma'am, it was an absolute pleasure to have this discussion with you today, and I really loved your look. I'm going to, click photos and post it soon. I
Sure,
mean,
sure.
super soon.
Thank you so much, and
And
it was a pleasure
yeah,
from my end as well. And thank you so much, Sanmana, for giving me this opportunity as well to connect with you guys. And hope we meet up soon.
yes, ma'am, sure. I just hope to meet you soon, and we should end up these virtual meetings and start meeting physically again. But
And I do
hoping that
wait
it
for your
happens again
pictures.
soon.
I will wait for your pictures
Yes.
as well.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a complete delight, and I'm really honored to have you. And thank you so much. See you, ma'am. See you again
Bye. Thank you.
soon. Bye. Bye. Have a great evening.
Bye. Bye.